Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and happy Sheetload of Cards Day. I hope you'll stick around to see what the brand new October 2025 printable looks like, see the first set I made, and find out how you can download the free printable. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month on the 1st, I debut the brand new Sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel, this is a free printable that I share with subscribers that has a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guide to make the most of your products and yield a sheetload of cards. This is usually anywhere between 6 and 12, depending upon the sketch, paper size, etc. In today's video, I will be sharing a look at the October 2025 edition, showing you the first set of cards I made with it, and then telling you how you can download it for free if you're a subscriber to my channel. Tomorrow, I will be back to show you how I put together that first set, and that video will include lots of great tips on cutting and assembly. So make sure if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click on that button below and ring the bell for notifications. Also tomorrow, my creative team will be joining me here on YouTube to share their first sets. If you're not already subscribed to everyone, I do have their channel link list down in the description box. Make sure to be all ready for tomorrow so you will have lots of inspiration using the new printable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the October 2025 Sheetload of cards. Here is a look at the brand new edition, and if you follow the sketch, supply list, and cutting guides on these two pages, it will show you how to yield 8 A2 cards using just 2 pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper and some cardstock. Now, while you might not be able to tell it from the sketch, this month is a special fun fold edition. These cards will require some special scoring and folding, and while it will stand on its own when it's put together, it's not your traditional fold in the middle kind of card. I do have some special instructions down here that you'll want to pay attention to, but I would highly suggest this month waiting until my process video tomorrow to put your first set together, because my creative team and myself ran into some issues, and I hope to be able to tell you how to fix those. Now, if you just want to get started and try one of the cards before you commit to 8, you can always use the single piece dimensions here. And while there isn't a lot of ways you can make this your own, I do give you some ideas down here at the bottom of page 1. Now, after you make your sheet load, whether it's 1 or all 8, I would love to see what you're creating. If you share on social media, up at the top are a couple hashtags, and I have a video linked in the description box that has all of the Show Us Your Sheet Load guidelines. So again, you can share on social media, or you can send in a card for my end of the month video. On page 2 of the printable, I do show you how to cut your pattern papers and all of your cardstocks. There is some leftover pattern paper this month, and like I mentioned on page 1, you could use that to decorate the spot for your personal message. Before I show you the products I used for my first set of cards and the cards themselves, I do have some special channel members to recognize. It is celebration time. In the month of September, I had some members reach big milestones. Celebrating 2 years of membership are Denise Harmon, Stacy Hood, Christine Hannon, Jolene LaJoy, Chris Bennett, Diane Neary, Susie Nielsen, Yukiko Sugihara, Cricket Lovejoy, Deb Potter, Gina Aiken-Sanders, Carrie Bott, and T. Iger. Celebrating 3 years of membership is Lisa Laframboise, Auntie Sue, Amanda Atwood, Kimmy Girl, Alessa Lemoyne, Teresa Brown, Ann McIntosh, Beth Paz Flythe, Beth Jesselson, Cheryl Jackson, Brendan Lucy, Cordelia Alderman, Melissa Kemmerly, Somebody's Mama, Sue Waller, Jennifer Rodriguez, and Lisa Cudd. And celebrating 4 years of membership are the following: Nicole Swanberg, Sherry Faulkner, Be Creative with Ms. Judy B, Sandy Stanley, Tammy Dickerson, Dee Deanne Horsing Around with Crafts, Rachel Fancy Schofield, Nancy Byram, and Mary Falconer. Thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you to all of my channel members as well. Your support keeps me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. If you're not yet a member and you would like to know more about it, you can click on the join button below this video or the link in the description box below. Clicking on that button does not commit you to membership, but it does show you the different levels, which start at just $1.99 a month. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the main supplies I'll be using in tomorrow's video. I decided for this month's cards that I wanted to go with a fall theme. I just love making fall cards. I love fall temperatures, and I would put a leaf on everything no matter the time of year. For my sentiments, I will be using the All for Autumn stamp set from Tailored Expressions, along with the coordinating die set. And to match one of the blues in the pattern paper, I will be stamping that in Sour Gummy ink. To add some extra texture and some leaves to the cards, I will be using this embossing folder, which I found in my stash. And I will tell you that I tested this ahead of time, and this might be the most gorgeous embossing folder I own. Now, it does not have a brand name on it. I'm not sure who made it, but with the way it looks like, especially this side, I think it might have been something I got at Michael's or Joann. If you recognize this, let me know down in that comment section below. For my pattern papers, I reached deep into my stash, you guys, and I got out the Happy Fall paper pad from Craftsmith, which I got at Michael's, and I fell in love with this plaid, and I thought kind of this salmon-y leaf pattern would go well with that, especially since it has that color stripes. For my cardstocks, I'm not going to go with the traditional white since that might be too stark with these pattern papers, so I chose Oat Milk from Tailored Expressions. In tomorrow's video, I will tell you about other products and tools that I used, but now let's go ahead and take a look at my first set of cards. I hope you enjoyed getting that first look at my 8 fun fold cards using the October 2025 SheetLoad. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to make a SheetLoad of your own fun fold cards, as always, I do ask that you're a subscriber of my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. As always, we do just go on the honor system here, so please make sure you have clicked on that subscribe button before you click on the download link. You're going to find this month's link down in the description box all the way at the bottom. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for the password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and then open it and print it, like I have here, or you can download it to your device and just open it on screen and use it from there. I hope to see you back here tomorrow so you can get some tips on how to make your own SheetLoad during my process video, and then you can check out all of the videos from my creative team members. Until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.